Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the issue with Roblox. Whenever you install the game, it just stuck at almost 90% or 95%, and then the installer disappears, which result is either Roblox running in the background or not installing or not launching at all. Let's fix it guys. You just need to right click on the start icon and select settings. On left side, select Windows Update. You just need to scroll down, select the Windows Insider program, and if you have joined Windows Insider program, you will find the option of leave the Insider program, guys, right here. You just need to leave the Windows Insider program to install the Roblox. After doing this, you just need to go to privacy and security. In here, you just need to scroll down and select search permissions. In here you just need to turn off the safe search, guys. You just need to turn it off. After doing this, now close it off here. Now try to install the Roblox and check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the next solution, guys. Right click on the Roblox player and select properties. Select the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator. Select apply and OK for save changes. Now go to search menu and type security. Click on open the Windows security and click on virus and threat protection. Under virus threat protection settings, click on manage settings. Turn off the real-time protection. After installing Roblox, you need to turn back on the real-time protection. And if you installed any third-party antiviruses such as Avast, AVG, Kaspersky, or McAfee, you just need to go ahead and turn it off. After doing this, try to install the Roblox and check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the next solution, guys. You just need to turn on the real-time protection. After that, close it off here. Now right click on the taskbar and select task manager. Under the background processes, if you find Roblox in here, you just need to end task it, guys. Just right click on it and end task it, guys. Just search for Roblox. Any related Roblox programs running in the background, you just need to end task it. And after doing this, you just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. You just need to click on it and click on the Roblox player launcher and click on the download option and download it. After getting download done, you just need to click on show in folder and right click on the Roblox player launcher and select run as administrator. After installation finish, you just need to launch the Roblox player and check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the final solution, guys. You just need to right click on the start icon and select run. In run window, you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again, click on OK. Now in here, you just need to find Roblox folder, right click on it and delete it. Now you just need to close it off here and now open up File Explorer. We need to run this Roblox player launcher we downloaded before. Right click on it and select run as administrator and select yes. Once the installation finished, you just need to launch the Roblox player launcher again. I mean, you need to install Roblox player launcher 2 times, guys. Right click on it and select run as administrator, select yes. Once this is done, you just need to close it off here. Now right click on the Roblox player and select open file location. Now you just need to open this Roblox player launcher over here. After finishing this, you just need to close it off here and now open the Roblox and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of the solution fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.